Nigeria is reaffirming its commitment to social development and justice on the global stage. Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, Honorable Benjamin Kalu, made the declaration at the 150th Assembly of the Inter-Parliamentary Union in Uzbekistan. He highlighted key legislative strides and called for greater international cooperation, especially for African nations battling economic challenges. Speaking on the theme, Parliamentary Action for Social Development and Justice, Kalu cited sweeping legislative reforms aimed at uplifting Nigeria's most vulnerable. He pointed to the creation of 4 new regional development commissions designed to decentralize growth and ensure that no part of the country is left behind. From the Student Loan Act of 2024 to commissions focused on literacy, out-of-school children, and displaced persons, Nigeria, he said, is actively investing in its people. Other milestones include the expansion of healthcare access, entrepreneurship programs, and the landmark Not Too Young to Run Act, which opens political space for Nigerian youth. Inclusivity and economic opportunity, he stressed, are cornerstones of Nigeria's approach. Kalu also praised the Tinubu administration for pushing progressive tax reforms that aim to generate revenue while shielding the poor from excessive burdens. In a major win for labor rights, the passage of the new minimum wage bill described as a foundation for a more equitable and productive economy. But Deputy Speaker Kalu didn't shy away from challenges. He expressed concerns over Africa's mounting debt crisis, saying it limits the continent's ability to invest in social programs. Still, he urged innovation, global support, and solidarity.
When we speak of social development, we refer to building societies where access to quality education, healthcare, housing, and decent work is not a privilege for the few, but a right for all. True sustainable development must be inclusive. It must bridge the gap between the haves and the have-nots, and ensure that progress is measured not only in economic terms, but also in quality of life experienced by our people. However, the path to sustainable social development is not without its challenges, especially for Africa. The continent is burdened by a huge debt load that strains public finances and often limits the resources available for social investment. Can Africa optimize social development justicably in the face of such financial constraints? This is a critical question, and while the debt burden presents formidable challenges, it must not be an excuse for inaction. Instead, it calls for innovative fiscal policies, debt restructuring, and importantly, greater support from the global community.
Kalu, however, ended his speech by calling for stronger oversight and accountability in governance, both at home and across the globe. Ani T. Patrick, Core TV News, Abuja.